The first house begins with self-awareness. It shows how I see myself, how I enter life, and how my presence introduces me to the world.
The first house carries physical energy. It is the body in motion, the courage to begin, and the strength to meet life directly. The first house teaches self-confidence, independence, and assertiveness. It reminds me that I am allowed to stand tall and choose my own direction. The first house is the doorway into new beginnings. It shows my approach to life, my first step forward, and the way I begin again. The first house shapes my viewpoint and aspirations. It shows where I look, what I reach for, and how I imagine the path ahead. The first house is personality in motion. It shows my appearance, my style, my spark, and the way I express who I am.
The first house is balanced by the seventh house. I learn who I am, and then I learn how to meet others with awareness, confidence, and respect.